Today we are going to study EVS class 5th chapter 6 traditional game. You all know about games, okay? Now today we are going to study about games, okay? In India people enjoy traditional games and martial arts since ancient times, okay? Some games are played in certain areas. These are called local games of that place. There is a large variety of local games in our country. They have different names and played in different ways. Some of them are played at national level. Only some of them are covered by media, particularly newspapers. Okay, local and traditional games. Wrestling. Wrestling is one of the oldest sports in India. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata describe wrestling about of heroes such as Bhim, Balrama, Sugriva, Ravana, and several others. With the Mughals, the golden age of wrestling began. They patronized these sports and spent money on the training and upkeep of wrestlers. Tournaments were held and successful wrestling were honored. Wrestling was later neglected till it was revived as an event in the Olympic. Wrestling is a popular competitive sport in many parts of North India, especially in Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Malkham. Malkham literally mean gymnast pole. These sports involve holding tight one's body round, a smooth pole fixed to the ground, rising up and sliding down it. To strengthen the muscles, Malkham was first mentioned in 12th century. Classic Mansothas of South India. It was revived by Marathas about 200 years ago. Maratha soldiers were expert in Malkham. It has now evolved into fascinating sports and several new variations have been added. Malkham is one of the 15 disciplines in Bharatiyam, the Indian extravaganza popularized by the government. Kho. Kho is a popular traditional Indian game played by men as well as women. Kho was once called Rathera because it was played on Rath. It is one of the popular sports of Maharashtra. In fact, the word Kho in Marathi means go and chase. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is like Kho, is a typical Indian game. It has been played as Hu Tu in Maharashtra, Do in Bengal, and Chedu Gudu in the south. Kabaddi is a robust sport and has popular appeal. These seven-a-side sports played by men and women does not require any special gear or outfit. Archery. Archery has been used for hunting and self-defense since ancient times. The bow and arrow were among the earliest weapons of warfare. It declined gradually with time. It has been revived as a sport and was included in the 1972 Olympic Games. At Beijing in 1972, India's best known archer Limba, Ram Syam Lal and Dorji won the Asia's Cup in archery. Significantly, all three archers are of tribal origin. Martial art, karate and international sports these days has its origin in India. Buddhist monk from India popularized the techniques of self-defense in China. From China, it spread to Japan, where it developed into the present form karate, literally means empty hand fighting. Kalpri Payattu or simply Payattu is one of the martial exercise practiced in Kerala.